Good morning, everybody, and welcome to On the Open. Taking a look at all the action that's occurred so far in the European markets. Taking a look at Germany's DAX. And before that, I want to welcome everybody to MarketStream.live. My name is Joseph Cusick from the Cusick Group. Securities offered by MoneyBlock. Now, the DAX giving up about 0.7%. We're seeing red across the board in Europe. And it's broad-based in the DAX. Deutsche Bank surrendered 2% right now. And other heavyweights like Volkswagen, BMW, Bayer, Merck, and Daimler all showing losses between 0.4% and 1.5%. Now, there is a lot of uncertainty. We saw the travel ban go into place this weekend, and I think there's a lot of uncertainty on how trade policies are going to start to structure if they're moving this quickly on some of the Trump administration new policies. Now, EWG is trading at 27.78. I'm going to watch this ETF that tracks German stocks very closely. The 5-day range right now on this stock is 42 cents. And 26.69 is going to be a level you're going to want to watch very closely. A break there, that means that the bulls have lost control in the short term. $25 to $26, $25.96 to $26 is going to be a level where if that's broken, the bulls have lost the control at that juncture, and then we're going to watch long-term support at right around 25.75. Now, taking a look at the UK FTSE, London's down now 0.6% with energy and consumer names under pressure. You're having Tesco, Diageo, Intercontinental Hotels, Burberry, Imperial Brands, as well as Royal Dutch Shell, all down between 1.3% and 3.2%. Now, there are also some select financials that are lagging as well, like Old Mutual, Barclays, RBS, all down between 1.5% and 3.8%. The dollar has been all over the map, and we're starting to also see, again, the uncertainty of the policies and how they're going to impact going forward. EWU is trading at 31.58 right now. The 5-day range on this ETF is 42 cents, either up or down. $30.88 is going to be a level the bulls are going to need to hold here in this English ETF, EWU. If it breaks there, then you're going to see 30.63. That's midterm support, challenge. Long-term resistance is still at 31.19 or support. A break below there, it could spook the market in Great Britain, especially now that the parliamentary vote is going to have to come at some point in time to trigger Article 50 on the Brexit. Now take a look at the French CAC. Dropped about 0.9% so far, and you're seeing Technip FMC. It's basically the biggest loser right now early in the session, down 2.2%. You're also seeing financials like BNP Paribas, Societe Generale, all down right around 1.5%. Now, you do have Credit Agricole bucking the trend right now in the financials, up 0.6%. We'll keep an eye on that. EWQ is trading at 25.22. The 19-day range on this $25 ETF that tracks the French stocks is 82 cents, either up or down. Watch 24.77 and then $24. Now, finally, we want to take a look at Italy. And Italy is down, the MIB is down 2% today. And these are levels that we haven't seen since late December when we had the vote where the Prime Minister had resigned earlier in fourth quarter. Bottom line is that there's been a huge spike in Italian bonds. There's a lot of speculation right now that the country's headed for some early elections. That means with that political turmoil, the continued monetization and recapitalization of the banks could come under pressure. The 10-year yield right now in Italy is jumping 10 basis points at 2.31%. You're seeing Italian banks under pressure like UBI Banca, UniCredit, all down between 2.6% and 5.2%. You're also seeing Fiat Chrysler and Ferrari all down between 1.2% and 2.3%. Again, uncertainty starting to grow now about how Trump trade policies are going to work out, especially since we've seen how he implemented and the administration implemented the travel ban on those 7 Muslim countries. So quite a bit of activity going on right now. The market is firmly in the red, both in Europe. It was in the red over in Asia. And at 9:30, we're going to take a look at the U.S. markets, which right now are in the red here at MarketStream.live. We are in the green, and we're going to help you find that. So why don't you come join us at 9:30 Eastern Time here on MarketStream.live.